There's about 8 or 10 that went off track and wanted to go this way in the field, but we've got everybody in now. Well, here we are. I stretched it as far as we can go, and I am back here setting up our last paddock for our grazing season this year. Really happy with how well the sheep have done on pasture this year, and looking forward to lambing season, which is going to start probably in the next 4 to 6 weeks. I'm guessing. I don't exactly know when the sheep are due this time around, so that's kind of my guess, is 4 weeks-ish. So if you guys want to follow along with lambing and you aren't yet subscribed, make sure that you hit like and subscribe to stay in the know. But anyways, let's move this last fence. Well, moving them was a bit chaotic, but I got them all in here. They were up front, so I had to get them to like follow me with a grain bucket without getting too many going off track. And I think there was about 8 or 10 that went off track and wanted to go this way in the field, but we've got everybody in now. Okay, so now I just have to go get the fence charger and the ground rod, my hammer, put that on, and get them a trough and some water. It's supposed to rain overnight and tomorrow, so I wanted to put them on this paddock that had more. There was a smaller paddock out front, but I didn't want to risk them getting hungry tomorrow while I was at work, because I am working off the farm a couple days a week now. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to worry about moving one of the dogs back here, because Willow does come out back here on her own quite a bit throughout the night. So I think they'll be okay. But that's it. Last one, girlies. Last field. I'm just going around and making sure that I did tie all my connections between my fences. I think this paddock used about 5 fences total, but I can't remember if I tied them all. I didn't hear, but yeah. So once I'm done the water, I'm going to turn on the solar fencer, and the ladies will probably be on this chunk. I'm hoping until Wednesday or Thursday, at which point we will officially make the move into the barn, and then gonna have a busy weekend and busy week next week, because we will be hoofing, deworming, vaccinating before lambing. I am going to do a video on all that and what I kind of keep in my lambing kit and what we'll be vaccinating for and deworming. So if you have any questions, just make sure to leave them in the comments and I will try to address them. I did have somebody ask about a couple questions about the livestock guardian dog, so there will be a video coming out this week chatting LGDs also. So make sure you check it out.